All right, here we are. We got Dave's 2013 GMC Sierra here. We are on the home stretch. I feel like I've said that in like the last 5 videos that I've made, but it is true. Even though I'm all bundled up for the cold and probably had like no shirt on in the last one, it really hasn't been that long. It's just how Texas weather works, man. This was miserable. Here's the deal. I wasn't gonna make a video about this. It seems to pop up a lot, but then I realized I probably should. So the back seats, when you would drive around, they squeaked a lot. If you would hit bumps and little vibrations in the road, you just had a ton of squeaking back here. And so I yanked the seats out. It's super easy to do. You got 18mm nuts. You got 2 of them on that side. You got 4 of them on this side where all these studs are. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for this seat. And then you got 2 on that side for that one. And then these 2 10mm bolts, if you're trying to pull them separately, bolt this seat this direction to the passenger side seat, and that's what holds it all together as one unit. You don't have to pull the seat belt, as you can see, just throw it forward. But the whole problem is this part here. Part number is 22771139. I will put a link in the description and right up here in the video if you want to order one or 3, because there are a total of 3. Needless to say, here's what you do. If you look back here, this seat, when I got it forward on both sides, there's 3 of these hooks. These hooks go through these metal hooks here, right? And then they have these little guys. So I'll pull this one out. These little plastic guys, right, that ride up in this crevice to make these not rub on each other and squeak, and it makes it a tighter fit. This one was the only one left, and it's broken, which I didn't even realize whenever I pulled it out the first time until I got a new one in my hand. So let's open this one up. So here we go. You see how it runs all the way down that side? So then you can just kind of put her up in here. I'm gonna go through sideways a little, kind of. Here we go. And then you got these 2 little spots where it snaps in there, and bam, both of them are now in this seat. Simple as that. I'm gonna go throw the 3rd one into this seat and then stick that one back in, and then we'll get these puppies reinstalled. But I wish I had a video of it squeaking, but it literally, if you grab the back of the seat before you take anything apart, you can grab the back of the seat and just pull it back and forth. If there's a lot of play and it bounces, these things are most likely broken and falling out. All right, so here, seat's back in. So yeah, there's no play at all, no noise. We'll go check the other side, but before it was clunk, 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 and that's what caused all the squeaking while driving. I mean, that squeaking, I don't know if it's because we were down to 1 piece of half plastic or what, but it was so squeaky you could barely drown it out with the radio. But see, nice and stiff. That is super simple, easy enough. I mean, if you have a second set of hands, you can just take it out the, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolt or nuts, 6 nuts on the studs, and pull the whole seat assembly forward with the second set of hands. It'd probably take it 45 minutes to do that entire changeover. It's really easy. But now I'm gonna go take this thing down the road, see if we can't get her ready for inspection. I think that was the last of the weird little tedious things. And then for some reason the hood's open, so I'm gonna check that before I pull out. But we got 1 bed cover to install. If you want to see that video, will be coming up later. And yeah, after that bed cover, it's going to Mr. Dave finally. So we'll do a little walk around and show everything that we've done once it's finished. So hit the like button if this video helped you. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more.